Hey guys, today I'm incredibly excited to show you the fun and useful app bthere, the all-new app that grants you awesome prizes for spending time with friends. With bthere, you can easily turn a simple get-together into an incredible and enriching experience with the app's innovative reward system. By creating circles of friends, you'll earn great opportunities for real-world prizes while having a lot of fun. Explore the many awesome features of bthere in this video made in collaboration with PreApps, and discover how you can completely revolutionize the way you hang out with family and friends. You can download bthere today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. With bthere's new and innovative geolocation technology, you can plan get-togethers with friends and family faster and more efficiently. Start off by creating an account and adding contacts who also have the app to your friends group or circles. Depending on your needs, you can create and be invited to multiple circles at a time, allowing you to stay in touch with family members, coworkers, and all your close friends. Circles can also be temporary or permanent, with settings to modify your location permissions. Once your groups are set, the app will automatically track how much time you spend with people in your circle. The more time you spend together, the more coins you'll earn, which you can use to purchase a wide variety of prizes like custom bthere gear and even discounts at local retailers. The app will also play super fun animations on your phone while you're spending time with friends, keeping you entertained when you're together. You can also message people in your circles and even see their battery life, allowing you to plan meetups, keep track of each other, and make hanging out so much more fun. With the Come Get Me button, you can even automatically alert everyone in your group if you get lost, keeping you close to your friends at all times. With bthere, you'll earn rewards like never before and have a great time interacting with all your loved ones. Another awesome feature of bthere is the leaderboard, where you and your circles can compete with real users from around the world to see who has spent the most time together. bthere tracks daily, weekly, and all-time scores, allowing you to compete against a wide variety of groups with your team of friends. The app also hosts contests and giveaways for the highest scoring circles, featuring incredible prizes like an all-expense-paid trip to Coachella. Maximize time spent with friends and family, and prove to the world who truly has the greatest friend group. With this incredibly unique app, you can increase face-to-face time spent with friends and family while earning incredible real-world prizes along the way, like merchandise, discounts, and even special vacations. bthere provides a unique social community for friends, allowing you to create new memories every time you meet up with loved ones. Be sure not to miss out on this incredible app and download bthere today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.